Haribo, Dandavad Pranam. Here we are in our Bhaktabandha of New York ashram. Ah!
Swaha. Oh.
Okay, we're gonna try to drive the Ashvamedha, our beautiful white Suburban, see if we can get out of this property and go to the store. Get some supplies for the troops.
Ramadaveti.
Govinda Damo Dadamadaveti. Govinda Damo.
Oh.
Govinda Damo Dadamadaveti. Money. Damo. While the gopis were rolling chapatis or rocking their babies to sleep, milking the cows, churning the makan, they were singing Govinda Damo Dadamadhaveti, Govinda Damo Dadamadhaveti. So here it looks like we're at the top of the ocean of milk. So while we're churning this ocean of milk, snow, we sing Govinda Damo
Madhaveti. Govinda Damo Dadamadhaveti.
Govinda Damo